A very good morning to all my Vardhaman Sampark members. Myself, Reet Rupani. Today, I am here to give my parichay. Yes. So, friends, myself, Reet Rupani. My spouse name is Kapil Rupani. Unka jewelry business hai. My children, I have one child. He's a teenager in class 8. Dhan Rupani. He's an amazing beatboxer who beatboxing karta hai, and he loves coding. My birthplace is my birthplace is Gujarat. एंड मेरी हॉबीज है ट्रैवलिंग, listening music and watching videos of renowned coaches about consciousness, healing, meditation and lot more. As I am a seeker, तो मुझे हमेशा ऐसा लगता है कि कुछ ना कुछ मुझे सुनना चाहिए, लर्न करना चाहिए, तो इसीलिए मैं ज्यादा से ज्यादा जो वीडियोस है ऑल द टाइम आई वॉच फॉर माई मोर एंड मोर नॉलेज and activities of interest. I love exploring nature. I'm a nature lover, and I love watching moon every day. Uh, and I'm always keen about learning more about digital marketing, social media, and making videos and editing. ये मुझे बहुत ही अच्छा लगता है. डिजिटल मीडिया एंड उसके ऊपर कुछ ना कुछ करते रहना, उसके लिए सीखना एंड ऑल दैट रियली आई लव. यस, नेक्स्ट स्लाइड. यस. तो या आई एम द डायरेक्टर ऑफ यूनिवर्सल वेलनेस सेंटर एंड मेरा ये जो बिजनेस है अप्रोक्सीमेटली 3 साल इसे हुए हैं. एंड फ्रेंड्स, आई एम अ होलिस्टिक हीलिंग. आई कंडक्ट होलिस्टिक हीलिंग थेरेपेटिक सेशंस. And what is that? That is overall healing of mind, body, and soul. And I take sound healing, access bars, mind healing, batch flower therapy. That is a natural medicine for healing emotions. And I do spiritual counseling. And these sessions I conduct for in personal, for students, for family group, and even for corporates. Next slide. Yes. So previous business, earlier I am having the experience of gold and diamond jewelry business of more than 10 years. And my education is I'm a BCom postgraduate, and I've done diploma in counseling and psychotherapy. And साथ ही साथ ये जितनी भी जो healing therapies है, I'm a certified coach of all that healing modalities. My skills, yes. So friends, I can make people come out of their tension, worries and stress with my quick activities, because I love that. क्योंकि मुझे कोई भी टेंशन या स्ट्रेस होता है, मैं आसपास किसी को देखती हूँ तो मुझे बिल्कुल अच्छा नहीं लगता है, तो मैं कुछ ना कुछ डिफरेंट डिफरेंट ट्रिक्स अपनाते रहती हूँ कि सामने वाला का माइंडसेट चेंज हो जाए एंड ट्राई टू मेक हिम और हर हैप्पी. एंड माय पर्पस इज टू एम्पावर पीपल दैट being alive is the biggest blessing in this planet and even in the whole cosmos. मेरा यही पर्पस है कि मैं लोगों तक ये मैसेज स्प्रेड कर सकूं कि हम अलाइव हैं. ये सबसे सबसे बड़ा मैजिक है हमारी लाइफ का. तो इसीलिए टेंशन, वरी और ये सब जो चीजें हैं, अगर हम समझेंगे कि हम अलाइव हैं तो इससे बड़ा कुछ ब्लेसिंग नहीं है. तो यू कैन लिव योर लाइफ एट योर बेस्ट. यस. माय सर्कल ऑफ इन्फ्लुएंस आर yes, the organizations I'm connected to, I'm grateful to be connected with Sampark and working as a supporting director for all the chapters. And I've connected to Rotary Club since more than 5 years and currently working as director of women empowerment. And in VSSS, this is a social Sindhi community organization. I have been designated as Maharashtra president for Women's Youth Wing. And earlier, I was the part of JC's club as well. Yeah. Next slide. And earlier, I was the part of many business groups as well. My goals. So friends, my goal are down the lane. Target to have happy and satisfied 200 clients down the lane next year. And another is to spread my online healing therapeutic sessions globally in next 6 months. That I'm hardly working on it dedicatedly. And for Sampark, my goals are to reach out beyond Nagpur and even take Sampark from 250 members to 600 plus members and at least 100 members in our every chapter within the span of 1 year. That are my real goals currently. And I'm working on it as well. Yeah. So my accomplishment, I launched my wellness center in Nagpur that is really very close to me. and I was been awarded as International Peace Ambassador by Center of Peace Studies Sri Lanka last year. And this year, from their university only, I have been recognized and given certification of Global Peace Building Professional from Sri Lanka. So I can work as a peace ambassador and a professionally and do social work and work for community and people. Yeah. Next slide. Yes. So friends, my best customers are ऐसे तो maximum people having stress are my customers, people who are facing stress, overthinking, tension, worries, and person having sleep problem जिनको नींद नहीं आती है, and parents they are facing problem with their kids, उनके behavior से जो उनको problem है, any of the problems that parents are facing, even students facing lack of confidence, जिनको confidence नहीं है, focus नहीं है या concentration नहीं है उनकी studies में, and middle age people having relationship ups and downs, जो भी उनके relationship में problem है, employees not able to perform at their work, senior citizen having physical and emotional pain issues. So इस तरीके के ये कुछ identified customers हैं friends मेरे. तो अगर आपके कोई भी mindset में हो तो प्लीज आप आपके आसपास कोई भी हो तो मुझे इनसे जरूर कनेक्ट करवाइए. या नेक्स्ट स्लाइड. Yes. Examples of referrals that will work for me. Friends, I am my holistic healing therapies helps in overcoming people from their emotional and physical health issues. तो आपके आसपास कोई भी जो पर्सन है जो इमोशनल इश्यूज या कुछ भी फिजिकल हेल्थ इश्यूज या मेंटल इश्यूज भी फेस कर रहे हैं, आप मुझे कनेक्ट करा सकते हैं. दिस थेरेपी हेल्प्स इन इंक्रीजिंग फोकस एंड कंसंट्रेशन इन स्टूडेंट्स. इट रिजॉल्व्स फियर्स and it's phobias of the person, and employees can be more productive at their work through these therapies. Family atmosphere all becomes positive with the change in behavior pattern through my batch flower remedies, and person becomes more calm and relaxed as unka anger or stress reduce ho jata hai. Sleep disorders also resolves. uh, Anytime anybody who's having pains, physical healing sessions 100% work for that, and it helps in lowers bp and sugar whoever is suffering from it. ये सभी चीजों में ये थेरेपीज हेल्प करती हैं क्योर करने में. And my contacts for business are yoga teachers and yoga centers, doctors, physiotherapists, psychotherapists, school teachers, parenting coach, counselors, astrologers, vastu consultant, financial consultant. These are the basic examples. And customers type I like to have is hospitals, schools, fitness studios, corporates, banks, gym, yoga center, colleges, even mahila mandals. सो फ्रेंड्स, इस तरीके के ये सारी जो मेरे हैं कॉन्टैक्ट पेयर्स एंड इवन जो रेफरल्स हैं आपके आसपास जो भी है, तो प्लीज इट्स माय हम्बल रिक्वेस्ट कि आप मुझे उनसे कनेक्ट करवा सकते हैं. एंड फाइनली माय मेमोरी हुक इज मेडिसिन फॉर योर माइंड एंड सोल. सो दैट इज माय वर्क. वो आपके माइंड और सोल को हील करता है. सो दैट इज माय मेमोरी हुक. सो फ्रेंड्स, प्लीज डू कनेक्ट टू मी. दिस वाज माय स्मॉल परिचय. एंड